arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome to an introduction covering the basics of employment arbitration. Today we will break down what it means, how it works, and some interesting statistics that highlight its significance. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. To start, what is employment arbitration? At its core, employment arbitration is a process to resolve disputes between employers and employees outside of the traditional court system. Instead of going to court, both parties agree to present their case to a neutral third party, known as an arbitrator. But how does this differ from traditional court proceedings? Here are some differences. It's generally faster than litigation. The process is private, unlike court trials which are often public. Arbitration proceedings and decisions can be kept confidential. Also, decisions made by the arbitrator are usually final and binding. Let's now look at some advantages of arbitration. First, it's cost-effective. Arbitration can be less expensive than court litigation. Then there's flexibility. Parties can often schedule hearings at convenient times. Next, we've got expertise. Arbitrators often have specific knowledge in the subject matter, ensuring a more informed decision. Now let's dive into some statistics that shed light on employment arbitration's significance. According to a study conducted in 2020, over 60% of corporate America's employment contracts have mandated arbitration clauses. Out of the cases that go to employment arbitration, employees win approximately 21% of the time. The average amount awarded to employees in successful arbitration claims is $50,000. Remember, employment arbitration is a key player in resolving workplace disputes. Whether you're an employer or an employee, understanding the basics can help you navigate this alternative dispute resolution mechanism. Do you need more information about the basics of employment arbitration? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about employment arbitration? Does it sound like a potential solution to resolving workplace disputes? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.